A sneeze or sternituation, convulsive expulsion of air from the lungs through the nose and mouth, usually caused by foreign particles irritating the nasal mucosa. Sneezing can be triggered by a variety of things, including allergens, viruses such as common cold or flu, nasal irritants, inhalation of corticosteroids through the nasal spray, drug withdrawal. Sneezing is possibly linked to sudden exposure to bright light, sudden change in temperature, breath of cold air. The function of sneezing is to expel mucus containing foreign particles or irritants and cleanse the nasal cavity. During a sneeze, the soft palate and palatine uvula depress while the back of the tongue elevates to partially close the passage to the mouth, so the air ejected from the lungs may be expelled through the nose. Because the closure of the mouth is partial, a considerable amount of the air is usually also expelled from the mouth. Sneezing cannot occur during sleep due to REM atonia. Sneezing typically occurs when foreign particles or sufficient external stimulants triggers the release of histamines, which irritates the nerve cells in the nose, resulting in signals being sent to the brain to initiate the sneeze through the trigeminal nerve network. The brain then relates these initial signals, activates the pharyngeal and tracheal muscles, and creates large opening of the nasal and oral cavities, resulting in a powerful release of the air and bioparticles. The powerful nature of the sneeze is attributed to its involvement of numerous organs of the upper body. It is a reflexive response involving the face, throat, and the chest muscles. Sneezing is also triggered by sinus nerve stimulation caused by nasal congestion and allergies. While generally harmless in healthy individuals, sneeze spreads disease through the infectious aerosol droplet, commonly ranging from 0.5 to 5 micrometers. To reduce the possibility of through-spreading disease such as flu or cold, one holds the forearm or the inside of the elbow in front of one's mouth and nose when sneezing, sometimes referred to as Dracula sneeze. Examples of prevention techniques are the deep exhalation of the air in the lungs that would be otherwise to be used in act of sneezing. Hold the breath while counting to 10 or gently pinching the bridge of the nose for several seconds.